So I've made this fruit salad. I've added kiwi, apple, banana, whatever fruits we have, and some apricots and other dry fruits. And added sesame seeds and chia seeds on the top, and then topped it off with lion date syrup. Sometimes I add honey instead. So I thought this will give us like a healthy jump start to the day. Hello everyone, so this is going to be my birthday shopping vlog. So I went out and checked out a few rings. We had to choose between them, and I went to a couple of stores and saw these models, and I really like these dainty rings, but I'm not really sure which one to get. And I also got to do a little bit of a birthday shopping, and I'll show you the outfits which I picked up. I wasn't sure which outfits to wear, so I'll show you guys the outfits. I actually posted a video on Instagram also asking you guys to pick the birthday outfit, or help me choose rather, so I'll show you guys those outfits as well. And yeah, I just shot a couple of videos, so I've been running around a little bit. Whenever there's a special occasion like birthday or some festival or before some event, I love doing a glow up. I love pampering myself. This is something that we should do often, even when there's no occasion. We often tend to get tied up with like work and other things. So since my birthday is coming up, I thought I'll do a little bit of pamper session. First, I look like a Jiddu Maha. So I am in desperate need of some makeover and some pampering. So I feel like a forest. Just look at this. I know it's cringy. So yeah. So I feel like a forest. So I need to do either waxing or shaving, and I need some body pampering as well. And I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna do my feet. I'm gonna do like a full-on pampering session, which is much required. It's a very simple process. So yeah. Yeah, that's about it. But then it doesn't remove hair from roots. It's just on the top. Now first I'll quickly do this. Also I wanted to do a full body spa kind of a thing. One of the outfits which I've picked out has flared sleeves, and I do actually have a little bit of stretch marks. And this is not something that to hide, but of course you can take care of your skin. So I'm going to be using one of my favorite products today for this pamper session. I'm going to be using M Caffeine's products today. M Caffeine is India's first caffeinated personal care brand, and their products are infused with caffeine. So as we all know, caffeine is supposed to help with cellulite and stretch marks. So Caffeine actually has this duo of oil and a scrub. So these help a great deal with stretch marks and even generally body polishing. So this is what I'm going to be using today. Generally I like to do this over the weekends, but you can definitely use it like twice a week. And this is the Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub and Body Oil Duo. So the body oil actually smells so good. Look at this. It actually has coffee beans in it. I was so excited when I first saw this, and I've actually seen so many people talk about this, and this smells so good. It smells like the aroma of coffee. You know how much I like coffee, so more the reason why. So this is something that I've been absolutely loving. So this coffee body oil has vitamin E, and it helps recover from sun damage, and coffee actually helps reduce cellulite. And it also has rose hip, which helps with stretch marks, and it also has almond oil, and this leaves your skin really smooth. And rose hip oil helps with stretch marks. So you can gently massage your body with this oil. Actually it feels really good, and it feels like really calming, and it feels like a very relaxing spa day. It massages all over your body, around your stretch marks, and generally all over your body too. I really like using this on my arms and even my elbow and my entire hands and legs actually. And you can use this regularly in your body care routine. And massaging gently in these giving these strokes actually even helps with blood circulation, and it actually adds glow as well. And for the second step, we have this Naked and Raw body scrub from M Caffeine. This one is also so good, you guys. It comes with like wooden spoon. This is what it looks like. I really like the packaging too. You can totally mistake it to be for choco coffee powder for a drink. It smells amazing. like if you are a fan of coffee fragrance, then you'll love this. It is to die for. Just sniffing it makes me feel really refreshed and good. If you love coffee, you know what I mean. Basically, I don't have to tell you this, but scrubbing is a very important step in any skincare routine and body care routine. So you have to take a little water and wet your skin, and on wet skin you have to use the scrub. So we do have to exfoliate on a regular basis to get rid of dead skin and dull skin, and basically like I said, this helps even with avoiding that strawberry skin or ingrowth hair as well. So scrubbing is a very important step. So this has coconut oil and it leaves your skin super nourished and soft, and caffeine obviously helps with stretch marks as well, and of course the fragrance is to die for, and the fragrance in itself is so refreshing and so good. So you can just take a little bit of the scrub, add it on all over your body, and add a little bit water and start scrubbing. So this scrub is actually quite finely milled. It is not harsh on your skin, so you can just gently scrub off, and you can get rid of all your dead skin. So I like scrubbing all over my shoulders, arms, back, and near elbows also we usually tend to have like dead skin, and this will help get rid of everything. So I'll scrub it all over, and just when you finish this itself, you can start feeling that your skin feels really smooth. So I've tried this a couple of times. So just after you wash off the scrub itself, you can actually feel your skin feeling really soft and nourished, like well moisturized. And of course, lastly, I love using this Choco body butter. I have been using this so regularly. I pretty much use this every day, at least on my legs. If I feel that it is too buttery for my hands, I at least use it on my legs. This is so good. This smells like a mix of chocolate and coffee, and it has intense moisturization. So moisturizing your skin, of course, is a very important step, and to complete this entire routine, basically this is really helpful. It helps with dry and dull skin, and it has argan oil, vitamin E, caffeine, and cocoa butter. It leaves your skin absolutely nourished and super soft. So yeah, this is my body polishing routine, you guys, and whenever I have something coming up, like parties and events, I absolutely do this to make sure that my skin looks all nourished, and to avoid dull and dry skin and get rid of all the dead skin. But yeah, you can do this on a regular basis. You can do this once or twice in a week, and it leaves your skin looking all healthy and nourished. As we all know, caffeine as an ingredient helps with stretch marks and cellulite too. One more good thing about these products is that all of these are SLS free, paraben free, and they're also cruelty free. Of course, for any problem areas, just one particular step wouldn't be enough. So whatever your target problems are related to skin, whether it be dry skin or like stretch marks or anything else, of course, just one step wouldn't be enough. Making changes in your general lifestyle is also something that's required. I'm going to do my nails. It's been so long, like I just don't focus on my nails enough, so I'm just going to trim them and paint them. So that was about my full glow up, you guys, and now I'll show you guys the outfit options. So I posted this on Instagram as well. So there is this outfit which I got from H&M when I recently went for some furniture shopping, and it is such a pink pretty dress, and it has like puff sleeves, and it's really cute, but it's such a simple one. So probably I can wear this in the day, I'm not really sure. And then I have this black dress. I thought I can wear this as Indo-Western, so that's where I got it. It has a little bit of lace detailing and all that. I really like the sleeves for this one too, and it's a sort of a mid-length dress. It's a midi dress. And then we have this really pretty lace-like dress. This is actually a cocktail dress, but yeah, it's not going to be a party as such, but I really like this dress also. But it can be a little dull for a night event. I'm not really sure. So these are the three options. I'm gonna choose from. Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? That was about all my birthday shopping and prep, you guys. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll upload my birthday vlog as well. And I've been shooting a bunch of videos, so you have a lot of interesting videos coming up. And also there's a wedding series that's coming up on my channel. I've already uploaded a couple of videos on that, so do check them out. And I'll be leaving all the links in the description box, so yeah, you can find them there. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also find me on Instagram. I keep posting styling videos there as well. I'm sure you'll love them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.